Hello 3D people, this is 3D by 3D and this is my extended 3D printer that I have made it in the previous tutorial, and after a while I have a new big issue. My temperature sensor is fluctuating on the bed side. As you can see, it started with 0 and now it's fluctuating. Unfortunately, my display, I didn't change it, and it's showing as it you can see. I have disconnected the wires for the temperatures, and it should be always 0 as it shows on the extruder side, but on the bed side it's fluctuating. So I'm trying to replace with a new control board from the RAM's 1.6 plus version. The plus version is a little bit different from the simple version 1.6, and it's including the Arduino Mega 2560. So my plan is to move the stepper drivers version 4.8 I think, and to place them here. And also my concern is regarding with the plug wires from the motor, because the plus version has 2 sides of pins instead of 1. So the plug from the stepper motor has only 4 pins, and on the control board side there are 2 pairs. My guessing will be placing as it is, because that's the only way to place it, or I can also reverse it maybe, or not. So this is my, no, I cannot reverse it, or maybe. So this is my concern right now. Also the jumpers, I need to reconfigure it, and of course burn the software. The first thing that we need to look at is to check on the stepper driver. On each corner we have DIR, ground, voltage motor and enable pins, and we need to check to correspond to the RAM's control board to be on the same corner. So I have here DIR, enable, voltage motor and ground. Okay, so I can place it with upside down, and it should be something like this. And also we need to check the jumper pins to correspond with the stepper driver version that we have. To plug the motor over here, I have used the same logic on the previous control board. So if the connection was like that, meaning the red wire corresponded to the 2B pin, meaning on the RAMs would be something like this. Unfortunately, if I press it too much, as you can see, because of the plastic, it's overlapping with the red socket. So I'm not sure how I will solve this, but I don't like it. Also, if I push it on the first layer, on the first pair of pin, because we are having two on this version of RAMs, it's not going well. So my plan maybe also is to remove the plastic, the white plastic, but for the moment, for the test purposes, I will place it only like this. And regarding the jumpers, there are two ways: the SPI mode and the DIR mode. It seems that for DIR mode, this is the configuration, so I will leave it as it is. Right now I will simply put the stepper driver, make sure it is with the correct pins, meaning DIR on the left upper. No, it's not, so it's here, DIR. So I have to put it as it is right now. Okay, so I think this is the correct one. Okay, I have made only power supply connections. As you can see, there are two power supplies, one for the Mega and the other one for the RAMs. I'm not sure exactly if I will need to supply both of them or only one. I will see right now. And here it is, my latest upgrade to my extended 3D Prusa. As you can see, I have changed a lot of it. Basically, I have purchased a new display, which is showing better characters and information of it. And I also have changed the motherboard. As you can see, I have two plates. Basically, it's an Arduino Mega 2560 version, and on top of it is the control board of RAM's 1.6 plus version. So basically it is the latest version of from the RAMs, connected via an accessory or an adapter which uses for the display. And I have reused the stepper drivers from the previous motherboard, so they are an older version, because the RAM's 1.6 Plus version is basically designed for TMC stepper drivers, and I didn't want to purchase new ones. And I have seen a lot of YouTubers that shows that in order to make these stepper drivers be used by the RAM's 1.6 Plus version, you will need to solder two pins from the set and another one, and because I don't know, it is some problems when the motor moves. As you can see, I didn't do anything of it, and I let them as they were, and it's basically works great. As you can see, I don't have any problems with it. But what I did is to keep the older version of the firmware. I didn't use the newest version. Basically, I have reused the firmware from the previous motherboard and only changed the display, because I have used another version of the display. So basically there is a like a menu in the firmware that you need to change the option for the display. I will show you how you can do that. So this is the Arduino software version 1.6.7. I have used this older version to compile the Marlin software, and for the display you need to go to configuration file and comment the line define reprap discount smart controller, and uncomment the next line define reprap discount full graphic smart controller. So this is basically the difference between the two LSD that I have used before. So this one is for the smallest one, and this one is for the full graphic smart controller. So basically that's all you need to do. Regarding the mechanics, as you can see, I have repositioned the X rods to the back of the Y axis. Why I did that? Because when the belt is tensioned on the X axis, the two Y bars from aluminium were slightly move towards each other, and that was not good, because it loosened the belt tension. So what I did, it was to create an extension here on top and bottom, and in such a way that when you tension the X belt, basically the Y axis is, or the Y rods are stopping into this aluminum frame, so it will not be moving freely if because they are stopping, basically they are stopping into this aluminum frames. And also I have repositioned the power source, and now I have no problems with it. the belt is tension. Also I have to recalibrate it and reposition the motherboard in front, also the power source as well. So basically this is my newest redesign, or the latest version of my extended 3D printer, and as you can see it's doing well right now. I also put some extension on the heads on each plate, because basically on the each side of the bed it was a gap of 0.5 maximum millimeters, and the filament was not glue it better on the glass, so I had problems with it. So I have to move a little bit the glass on each side. So this is another important thing, because how I designed the extended plates, as you can see, there is a curvature, how to say it, and as you can see on each corners they are bending a little bit, and this bending makes the glass lower at the edges of the bed, and it makes the filament not glue it better on the bed. So yeah, there are little inconveniences that you need to carry out and to reconsider all these things to do a better 3D printer.